Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna bring you like a get ready with me photo shoot edition. I just decided to take photos today, and then I was like, just do a look. So you guys are just gonna watch me do this, and basically I'm gonna take my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Cocoa and my Morphe M439 brush, and I'm just gonna keep applying this all over. This foundation is like really dewy, but also like really looks skin like. I forgot how much I really liked it, but I revisited it and I really like this foundation, so I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. Next, I'm gonna take my NARS Amande concealer, and this one is a soft matte creamy concealer. Yeah, this used to be all the hype. I don't know what happened, but I'm just gonna keep applying this all under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, around my mouth, and underneath my mouth. Yeah, my chin. Sorry, yeah. I'm gonna apply it to all basically my highlighted areas, and yeah, basically blend this out. This brush is from Dress Up Brushes. It's like a small little concealer brush. I would say I use it for concealer. But yeah, I really like this brush because it can get to like really small areas and can blend out also a little bit. So yeah, it's really soft and everything. So these are some brushes I got from Amazon, so you can also get your brushes from Amazon. They're really inexpensive. And I'm gonna take my Real Technique sponge and I'm just gonna blend this out further. So yeah, basically I'm patting the concealer in. You don't want to drag it so you can mess up the base, but you want to just pat it in, and that's what I'm going to do until everything looks smooth and nice. And then I'm going to set it with powder, and I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder for this. I always use this one, and I'm just going to pat right underneath my eyes. Yeah, and basically everywhere else so I can set it in place. I used a lot today because it was really hot and I wanted everything to stay in place, but you don't have to use as much. And also I was doing like a mini photo shoot. When I say photo shoot, I was basically taking my own pictures, but I like did a lot because I like put an outfit and I did like jewelry and stuff. And I'm gonna take this pressed powder, the Black Radiance pressed powder, and this is in Black Coffee, and I'm going to contour. So I'm using this Real Techniques brush. I'm not sure what this brush is called, but yeah, this is the brush I use, and I'm just gonna keep going circular motions and apply it to my cheekbones, around my forehead, underneath my mouth, my jawline, and my nose, the bridge of my nose. This is gonna warm up the face so I won't look so ashy as like kinda I do right now. And don't mind my hair, you guys, like it looks a mess, but I'm going to show you what I did in the video. I'm just going to straighten it. So also I would do talk throughs more, but I also have a roommate, so I can't do as much, And now I'm going to take my Black Radiance True Complexion palette, and I'm going to take the darkest shade. I'm going to just go in a little bit more to darken up some of those areas because I didn't really get as a good contour with the other one. So I'm just going to go in the darkest shade, and this is a Morphe brush I'm using. This is came in a set. I love this brush. I'm sure it's supposed to be an eyeshadow blending brush, but I use it as a nose contour brush and underneath my mouth so I can get in a defined area because it's really loose and like really fluffy, so I can just move it as much as I want to. And then I'm going to go with the same powder, and I'm going to deepen up the areas right under my cheeks, my cheekbones, sorry, and then my jawline also. And I'm just going to clean it up with the Laura Mercier powder, and I'm taking that Real Technique sponge and just making a little, line. I like to pat my line, I feel like it's better when I don't swipe it, but sometimes I swipe. It depends on how I feel, but patting it to me, I just feel like it wipes away better without giving it an actual line. So yeah. And I'm also going to clean up my contour of my nose. I'm just going to pat a little line to do that also. Now I'm taking my GRWM Morphe palette, and I'm going to take these 3 shades in this exact order, and I'm going to basically apply it to my crease, the first shade I pointed to, the other shade like right below my crease, and then I'm going to apply the last shade onto my eyelid. And the camera cut off, but the shade that's all the way to the top right is 3 shades over from the right. I'm going to apply that to my inner corner, but the camera cut off for that part, so sorry about that. And yeah, I'm taking the Sonia Kashuk brush. This came in a set also. I love Sonia Kashuk stuff. She's sold in Target, but she should be sold in other high-end places because her stuff is really good, nice quality. And then this Jessup Brushes blending brush, and this is a little bit smaller brush, so I can like focus it in like right below the crease a little bit. Yeah, so this is more of a burgundy orangey look kind of. I put the orange to tie onto my outfit, but I wanted like a pop of burgundy. And this is where it cut off, but I just basically put that color all over my lid and in my inner corner. And I also applied highlighter and lower lash mascara, so sorry about that. And this is the NK Cocoa Lip Pencil. I'm going to apply that in the NK Clear Lip Gloss. I'm not sure what highlighter I use. I probably use a Wet n Wild highlighter, and the mascara I used was most likely the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. That long name, but that mascara. And my outfit, it's from my shirt. I got it from it's Adidas, but I got it from my tennis coach. It's like a tennis outfit. My necklaces, I got them all from Forever 21. This hair is from Ali Pearl Hair, and my pants were just some windbreaker pants. But I forgot to show my outfit, but you'll probably see in the thumbnail, or I don't know. I posted on Instagram, so it was, you know, on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you should follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is StateofDallas. Sorry guys, I'm sick right now, so yeah. And I'm basically straightening my hair. I'm just brushing it out with this $1 brush from the beauty supply store, and also straightening it with this Remington flat iron. I got this from Target. It works okay. I wish I got a better one. And now I'm just going to apply these clips in. You usually apply them when you have like locks, or sometimes when you have braids, but I decided just to do it with the straight hair and just to see how I liked it, and I really did like it. So it's they might come out. They didn't come out for me, but like you should be careful, because I guess because it was behind my ear it didn't come out, but I just applied 4 in a row, and I really liked the way it looked. It added a lot to the outfit. And now I'm just going to go in and do my edges, and I use this regular toothbrush, yeah, and I'm going to go with Got To Be spray and like spray them and do them. I cannot do them on camera. It's really hard to do without a mirror, so I'm just brushing out like the hairs that I want to be baby hair, whatever, and then going in to swoop them. And this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, a comment, and subscribe down below. Make sure you follow me on all of my social media links. They'll be down below also. And I know you want to subscribe because I have some good videos coming soon. A lot more vlogs, a lot more talk-throughs, like entertaining videos. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye!